Hi everyone, I'm Brittany. This is my little fur baby Jada, and the star of this trio is Domino, my 1998 self-converted 4-window short bus. I've had Dom since summer 2019, and so far I've put over 11,000 miles on my tiny little home going on solo adventures. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you always know where's Brittany. I think I found the spot. So while I have some sunlight and Jada is still asleep, I'm gonna go ahead and charge my backup battery pack. I have a 400-watt backup battery pack, and I have an additional 120-watt flexible solar panel that I keep in my crawl-in closet. So I don't know where my clamp is. I normally have it clamped up there, but I don't know where my clamp is, so I'm actually just gonna lay it down on the ground and it should work. We'll see. And here is my backup battery pack, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in. Boom, boom, and let's look at it. Let's see if you can see anything. Okay, so yes, currently it's pulling in 50 watts. So it is pretty cloudy out, and so I'm just getting the best that I can. It would be better, obviously, if it wasn't laying on the ground and it was, you know, up there, but I don't know where my clamp is, so it is what it is. Creep. Ginger snaps.
What?
Ginger snaps.
Oh, alright.
This is an ad for great value ginger snaps. Say good morning, Buddha. Oh, no, we don't want those. Come on. The water is so calm. It's like a reflection.
You sold me down the river, down
Good morning, my friends. It is a new day and it's time for me to make coffee. Domino currently looks a mess. Andrew and Buddha came last night and he's at the door now. No, he's not. But yeah, but it's a mess right now, but you know, I guess this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some coffee. Yes, we're going to go ahead and make some coffee, and then hopefully we'll be able to explore some today. Ain't that right? Say yes, that is right. Look at these clay paws. Ugh.
I ain't pressed on. I need a nigga with a paddock and a tech on him. Speak chrome hearts and baguettes on him. Good job, you don't like it, take a hike. Pay me for a sucker slop.
Say hi. You found another pine cone. Say hi. Yeah, it look red to me.
$200. Like, oh damn, that's dope
unreal.
though.
That's wicked cool.
I've never seen that shit before in my life.
Oh yeah, I was able to get
She
a
says
video.
it's red.
It looked red to me, but I can. It looks red, purple. Children. She's right there in her pink. Lucy, come on, Jada. Lucy, Jada, good girls. Girl. Hi. Hi, Miss Jada. Good girl. Look at my baby girl. Yes. Hi, Buddha. Oh, baby Buddha too. Yes. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Hey, Jada, watch out. Good girl. Do your thing, boo. Do your girl. Say hi.
What'd you get?
She's smiling. She's just smiling. Don't you go. I just wanna show you the true light. Light me up and make me feel alright. 'Cause baby, we are always shining bright. Take me home tonight. I just wanna show Hi, my friends. I'm not sure if I look crazy right now, but I feel like I look crazy right now because I really just been chilling all day. We just got back from picking like some firewood and some pine cones and stuff like that to start a nice fire. It's really only like 2 or 3 o'clock, but it's starting to get cold and dark already. So we're just prepping for tonight. And ooh, let me show you what I have. This will be my first time using this fire pit. I've had it for over a year now, and we're gonna use it tonight. So this is a portable fire ring, and basically this is what we're gonna use to contain the fire tonight. Now we gonna be ready for tonight. Andrew, she has a vanilla chai tea by Positive Energy. I want some sweet tangerine for Positive Energy.
Yes, it's so good.
Want one of our mugs or do you want to bring over one? Could I use one of yours, please?
Wear your shit. Let's go.
Babe, but you don't want to be sweating out here.
That's why I'm going to take off a layer. There's a method to the madness, always. I have to muffle my beard.
Tell me when to go.
Oh.
Yeah, I see blue.
Yeah. Oh, I see greens. Blues.
You'll get the color behind it.
Like it can see it, y'all. Like I know y'all see the creepy eye, and it's like a freaking either dragon. It's like a dragon and skull. Do you see it? I know you guys see it. It's like a freaking dragon looking at me. It's creepy. It's looking at me. Try to train a fire dragon. It really do from this angle too. Oh my gosh, y'all.
Like for sure.